Hi, today we're in Reno, Oklahoma on Route 66. This is the famous Roberts Grill. Famous onion fried hamburgers since 1926. They're open today for breakfast, but we decided to get a burger for breakfast. Another one here, just fantastic. This is called Sunset Avenue. Right here we've got these great murals over there. Old building here, lots of cool stuff. All downtown and down Route 66. So let's check out this little diner and get a burger. Hey, we're inside our famous diner here. Check this out. This is the way diners ought to be. Just beautiful. There's our little fried onion burger cooking right there. Wow. Here we go, our famous fried onion hamburger from Roberts. Give this guy a taste. Looks really good. It's got mustard on there. Wow. Really, really good. Oh. So these burgers here, these burgers here were developed during the Depression when meat was too expensive, so they used onions instead of meat. That's how they developed this little onion burger. So, you know what? This is really, really good. You gotta come here. This place. Roberts Grill on Sunset in Reno, Oklahoma. Thanks for watching. Bye.